me in Thailand, right? Making tens of thousands of dollars, again, while on vacation across the planet. I get excited every time I think about this, right? Just the potential. And I've been doing this forever, and I still get excited day in and day out. So do me a favor. Type a 1 in the chat box if you're excited and if you see how simple this is. I'm not going to even look because I know everyone's going nuts right now. Mike, why don't you do me a favor? Take a look and see what they're saying in the chat box.
Yeah, Ty, I'm seeing a 1 from Thomas. We got a 1 from Dan, David, Parker. We got a 1 from Jack. Colleen said 1. Adrian said 1. Awesome. Everyone's seeing how simple this is.
All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So now, again, you've got that file. Now you set up the webinar. Now, for sake of time, we're not going to discuss setting up the webinar, but here's the thing. Our done-for-you webinar setup and set it and forget it setup will help you to set up your webinar in less than 2 minutes and then automate this entire model, right? So you need these step-by-step setups if you want to have success as fast as possible. I'll say that again. You need these step-by-step setups, right, if you want to really get to the money with this. And we're going to give you both of these. So we'll talk about more on that in just a minute. So hard or easy? Now, when presented with a better way of doing things, do you continue to do things the hard way, like the same old way that has continued to give you the same results, or do you immediately start doing things the better way? Think about that. So let me say that again. If you're making money the old hard way or not making money because you're doing things the old hard way, but tedious way, and someone comes along and shows you an easy, more effective, better, much more powerful way, what do? Do you just say, no, I'm just going to do things the old and hard way, or do you actually do the new way? Do you give it a try? Like, type in the chat box, hard way or easy way. Now, we've got a lot of smart people that are on this webinar, so I know which direction you're going in. You want the easy way, right? Listen, I always want an advantage if it's presented to me. There's no shame in that. So you're absolutely right, the easy way. Well, do you start doing the easy way next year, next month, 5 years from now? When do you do it? Immediately, right? Absolutely. As everyone's saying, immediately, immediately. Well, ideally, we would have wanted to start this yesterday if possible, but we don't have a time machine. So the next best time is today, like literally right now. So my question to you is, are you going to do this the first chance you get with like everything that we just shared with you? I want you to type a yes right now in the chat box if you're ready to do this immediately with this chance that we're giving you. All right, I love it, I love it, I love it. We're keeping the momentum, folks. We're going, we're rocking and rolling. So now, folks, there's simply 3 steps to your first $10,000 or more, right? So step 1, you find a Bob, someone who already has a program put together. He's done all of the work already. He's passionate about this. He loves to talk, right? He just has everything that you're going to need for step 2, which is to take the content that Bob gives you, you put it into our 10 million plus easy webinar creator. It's going to spit out your virtual presentation, not only a virtual presentation, right, but a money-making virtual presentation. And then we take that and we move over to step 3. So let's look at step 3 really quickly. Now let's dive right in. Now, it gets even better. Here's step 3, right, which is to put the online course in front of people who are already excited about the topic and want to buy it. This is another super easy step. So now you've got a Bob that has an online course ready, right? Super easy. He was eager to partner with you, right? Because he wants more sales. He realizes that he's leaving a lot of money on the table. He just doesn't know how to do it. Now that we've got our virtual presentation ready to go, we've plugged everything into our $10 million plus easy webinar creator. You just need to show the presentation to people. Imagine that Bob is at the front of the room. He's ready to give the presentation. All you need to do is fill that virtual classroom, aka the webinar, with people that are already interested in that topic. And we're going to show you how to do that. You've got your webinar, you have traffic, put them together. What do you have? Mega cash. So you and Bob's virtual presentation plus the traffic or people in our virtual classroom watching this presentation, right, on a topic that they're already interested in equals big money, because at the end, they'll want to buy Bob's course to learn more about the topic, and that means $250 to $500 multiple times per day for you. Now, here's the thing. It gets even better because